Hi, I'm Amy Tangerine. I'm a designer, mama, multi-passionate creator, and firm believer that crafting a life you love is essential to well-being and happiness. My mission is to inspire you to find joy and confidence through creativity. Today, I'll be showing you how to tidy and organize all of your favorite crafty supplies with the help of Avery labels, binders, and page protectors. In addition to bringing a sense of calm, organization can also be beautiful and fun. Let's start with writing tools like Avery markers and highlighters. You can easily organize them by coloring in simple pencil cups, or you can customize old jars with a little paint. I like to match the jar to the color going inside for a monochrome look. Just grab a brush and get to work. I found that acrylic paint works best. Here's the empty jar, here's the blue paint, and here's your brush. I also have a paper towel just in case. And what you'll want to do is simply squeeze in the paint. Take your brush, mix it all around, and paint the inside of your jar. It's so fun learning something new and going through the process of realizing that you do have to let the paint dry for quite some time. It's a lesson. You don't actually have to use too much paint either. As you're making sure you just have enough coverage. There we go. Now you'll just wait for the paint to dry. Now that the jar is dry, you can put your markers in, like so. If you have a lot of tiny odds and ends like paper clips or Avery Ultra tabs, you can organize them by color in these cute plastic jars so that the rainbow shines on through. You can even add a round label to the top of each jar if you'd like. There you go. If you're using containers that are opaque or frosted, Avery labels can help you remember what's inside. You can pick from a variety of sizes and print at home. These are the Avery permanent square labels. When it comes to organizing photos and clippings, like ticket stubs or business cards, I like to organize them by date in these containers. I add custom printed Avery ID labels with a date to the top of each one so that I can easily find what I'm looking for in each container. If you love to collect stickers like me, you may want to display them while keeping them all in one place. An Avery binder paired with these diamond clear secure top sheet protectors are great for all kinds of sizes. It's nice to be able to arrange them by theme. Planner stickers, words, travel or summer, seasonal things work as well. Not so graceful with my sticker collecting. You can easily organize them by color or theme, and then you can also add these Avery Ultra tabs to the sides of your sheet protectors. If you want to line them up evenly like I do, then you simply take your previous one and then put your next tab on. Once you have them all categorized and labeled, you can just slide them back into the binder. And now you can nicely see all the categories in rainbow order. What's great about having the secure top sheet protectors is that you can travel with your binder and you don't have to worry about your stickers falling out. I hope these ideas have inspired you to get more organized and will bring a sense of calm to your creative life. I don't know about you, but for me, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing my supplies in rainbow order. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon.